In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show an Outlook envelope icon in the taskbar for new mail. Let's get started by opening Outlook on the web. Head to your browser and go to the Outlook mail page, then sign in if prompted. Keep Outlook open throughout this process because the taskbar envelope badge appears when Outlook is running and actively checking for new messages. Next, look to the top right and click the Settings gear. A quick panel opens on the side. If you see a link for View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of that panel, click it to open the full settings window. This makes it easier to find exactly what we need. In the settings window, select General in the left-hand column. General contains the app-wide preferences that control how Outlook behaves across your device, including notifications and visual indicators. Under General, choose Notifications. This page is where Outlook manages alerts for new mail, calendar events, and sounds. Locate the option to enable notifications and make sure it's turned on. Then look for the setting that shows an envelope or badge on the taskbar or app icon for new mail. Different browsers and builds may label it slightly differently, such as Show Envelope Badge in the taskbar or Show Unread Count on the app icon. Turn that on as well. If you see a save button, click it before you leave. A quick note on what makes the badge appear. Outlook uses your browser and your operating system's notifications to display the envelope, so two things need to be allowed. First, your browser must permit notifications from Outlook. If you get a prompt asking to allow notifications, choose Allow. If you dismissed it earlier, you can reopen your browser's site permissions and enable notifications for Outlook. Second, make sure system notifications aren't blocked. On Windows, check that Do Not Disturb or Focus Assist is off. If you use Microsoft Edge and want a more app-like experience, you can install Outlook as an app and pin it to the taskbar. The badge will then appear directly on that icon. When you're done, refresh Outlook and send yourself a test email from another account. Keep an eye on your taskbar. You should see a small envelope or unread indicator appear on the Outlook icon as the message arrives. If it doesn't, double-check that notifications are enabled in Outlook's notification settings, confirm your browser is allowing them, and make sure Outlook is open. That's it. With these settings in place, you'll get a clear at-a-glance envelope icon on your taskbar whenever new mail lands in your inbox.